Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers to this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to study factorizing the difference of two squares. Mhm. This is grade 8 mathematics, and this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Now, this will be our learning target. So I can identify expressions that are different of two squares, and I can factor DTS using the pattern a squared minus b squared equals quantity a plus b times quantity a minus b. Now, what is DTS? Different of two squares means two perfect squares separated by subtraction. Examples of perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. And also, we have x squared, y squared, 4x squared, 9y squared, and 16x squared. Now, the fact is, every DTS follows a pattern. So this is the pattern. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b, or quantity a plus b times quantity a minus b. Why? Because a plus b times quantity a minus b is equals to a squared minus b squared. So just remember, no, kung ano ginawa natin, what we do in special product is the same here. Now, how to identify DTS? So you should check these three things. First, the first term. Is the first term a perfect square? Second, is the second term a perfect square? Or three, is there a minus sign between them? Now, here is a steps by procedure in factoring DTS. No, example, 49x squared minus 25. Now, first, check if the perfect squares, no? Like 49x squared equals 7x squared, okay? And 25 is 5 squared. We write a square, so that means 7x squared minus 5 squared. Apply the pattern, that is 7x plus 5 times quantity 7x minus 5. I hope you get it. No question? Okay, so pinasimple na po natin ang ating mga examples para madali ninyong maunawaan. Okay, for example, this is a simple x squared minus 16. So for x squared, we have x squared, or simply 2x's. No? For 16, we have 4 squared. So 4 squared minus, or x squared minus 4 squared is equals to x, quantity x plus 4 times quantity x minus 4. Okay? Now, example number 2, this is with coefficients. So factor 36y squared minus 49. Now, for the factors of 36y squared, that's 36y squared, or 6y squared. Okay, for 49, we have 7 squared. So 6y squared minus 7 squared is equals to the quantity 6y plus 7 times quantity 6y minus 7. Okay, now let's have a harder one. Okay, 121a squared minus 64b squared. So for 121a squared, we have the factors is 11a, okay? And then for 64b squared, we have 8b, okay? So 11a squared minus 8b squared is equals to quantity 11a plus 8b times the quantity 11a minus 8b, all right? Now, what are the common mistakes? Now, thinking DTS is an addition. Okay, a squared plus b squared cannot be factored using DTS. Another, forgetting to take square roots. Always find the base of the square. So that's the no. And then mixing signs. So pattern is always A plus B times quantity A minus B. So you need to follow the pattern, okay? Now, it could be interchanged like A minus B. It yield the same answer, but it's advisable to to put a passive sign first before negative. Okay. Now let's take this as an example. So let's have this as our independent practice. Okay, why you are running away? Oh, okay. So here we have what are the factors of x squared? Of course, we have two x's. So x. Now 81 is a perfect square, so that's the square root is 9. So we got here plus 9 and minus 9. Okay, so for number 2, 25x squared minus 4, we have 5x, another 5x. The square root of 4 is 2, so that's plus 2, of course, minus 2. And for 144, the square root is 12, right? So we got 12. And then for 9y squared, we got positive 3y and minus 3y. Okay, so these are the first. All right, let's have another. Okay, so these are the answers. So we just reveal it. Right? You may check your answer or follow the direction. Okay, so for your sit work, you may answer this in your paper. Uh, but as our review, we can answer it now. So we got, we need to put two uh, column here. So we have 3m, 3m. And then for 36, we got plus 6 and minus 6. Okay, so these are the hot factor for 9m squared minus 36. Now for number 2, for x squared minus 121y squared. Okay, so for 4, we have 2x, of course, 2x. And then for 121, we have plus 11y minus 11y. And for 49, we got 7m, no, of course. Uh, another 7m here, plus 9n minus 9n. Okay, for number 4, we got 10p plus 3, because 3 is the square root of 9 and the square root of 100. P square is 10p, and of course followed by 10p minus 3. Okay, and for 81, we got 9 minus or plus. No, we need to follow the pattern. That's 3h. Okay, 3h, and then 9 minus 3h. Okay, let's continue. So, for the exit, no, we have 9. Okay, it's for that for your exit ticket, no. So we have here, we have 3x, 3x plus 5 minus 5. Okay. So I hope no, nakuha niyo na yung tamang sagot at you know already how to divide this. Thank you all. And that's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye. See you around. And if you have any question, please don't forget to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you all. Good day. Good morning. Happy morning, everyone. Love you all.